What's happening? YouTube, it's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video. And today we're looking at how we can have audiobooks for free with any books. Here we go. First things first, what we want to do is make Siri speak any books, any website, any PDF files that we have. So how we want to do that is go to settings, go to general, go to accessibility, go ahead and select speech, speak selection right there. Make sure you turn that on. You can turn on speak screen as well. What it does is you can swipe down two fingers on your screen and Siri will speak the screen for you, whatever the text on that screen. Maybe a website, a PDF, or any books that you have in iBooks or basically anywhere on your screen. As long as you have it on your screen, you'll be able to let Siri speak it for you. After you turn on is the highlight content. Make sure that's on, and then go check words and sentences if it's not checked yet, because the background color basically is saying that once it's selected and it's speaking, it would highlight or it would underline the part that it is reading. I'll give you an example for that. And then the highlight colors, obviously you can do this for default. You can change it to any color you want. And also the sentence color. Again, you can change that to whatever you want. In this case, I'm just going to leave it in default. Now let's go to typing feedback. This is used when you're trying to speak. Let's say you're driving and you want to speak to Siri and dictate which page you want to read, or select certain areas, so it would just scroll up and down, all that stuff. I personally don't like this, so I would just leave it off. Next thing, what you want to do here is the voices. So here, whatever language you're reading to, hopefully you have it on here. On my language, it's not there, so I'm just gonna go with English right there. And then you can test out all the accents and also different, you want female or male Siri to read for you, all that jazz. I have it on default, Samantha, right there. Other stuff, I've downloaded the Siri, male, and Tom. So once you've selected what you want from there, which language you want, you can go ahead and go to speaking rate.
Speak selection reads selected content.
Hopefully you guys can hear that. You can turn this up. It would give you, this is how fast or how slow you want the text read to you.
Speak selection reads selected content. Speak selection reads selected content.
There you go.
Speak selection reads selected content. Speak selection reads selected content.
There we go. And then last part is pronunciations. So you can add pronunciations here as you want. So you would just put a phrase sometimes, because Siri is not very good at reading. It would read it improperly. If it really bugs you that much, you can replace it, and you can substitute how you want words dictated. I don't really care, so it's gonna leave it like that. Now, how are we gonna use that, right? So here it is. Let's say we gotta go to, let's say, Safari. Let's just read some news to CBC. Here. So let's say I want this read to me. All I gotta do is go to the page first and then highlight certain areas like this, like that, and then press speak.
Materials submitted to the Commons Justice Committee this week indicate Jody Wilson-Raybould recorded at least one of the contentious conversations at the heart of the SNC-Lavalin affair, multiple sources tell CB.
So as you can see there, if it bugs you that it's too slow, you can go ahead and go back to settings and make this speaking
Speak
rate higher.
selection reads selected content.
Once you've done that, let's try out this two swipe down now.
Skip to main content. News. Wilson-Raybould recorded conversation as she faced pressure over SNC-Lavalin file. Social sharing. Social sharing. Facebook. Twitter. Written statement. Emails and text messages expected to be released later today. CBC News. Posted. March 29th, 2019 11:11 a.m. ET last updated. 29 minutes ago. Jody Wilson-Raybould delivers her opening statement as she appears at the Justice Committee meeting last month. Wilson-Raybould submitted more material to the members of the committee this week. Adrian Wild Canadian.
So as you can see there, once you swipe down, it'll show this navigation bar. And then you can go ahead and change your speaking rate right here and there. And then let's say you want to skip, we can go ahead and do that. We can also play, and that Siri would then read the page to us. So that is the easiest way to do it when you are driving. You just swipe down from the top like that.
Skip to main content.
Right there.
News. Wilson.
So nice and easy. You don't have to highlight anything. But let's say you want to do books. Let's go to iBooks. You just want to swipe down.
Bible doctrine. Both the revealing of the good news of the gospel to some and its hiding from others are said.
Let's say you want to catch up on reading and you're always driving around, going to work, going home, things like that. This will help you a lot so that you don't have to actually read it and you can just listen to it. You don't have to buy audiobooks. You could just get any books in iBooks or any Google Store books, Kindle, etc. And Siri will be able to speak this to you. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys next time. Peace out.